Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW. It's the 320 Touring. Has literally just arrived. So there's a bit of paintwork just doing that front bumper there. But it's got the and the wheels are going to be done as well. It is a Category N insurance claim some time ago, but we've checked it out. It's really in lovely condition. Rear privacy glass, obviously the upgraded alloy wheels, CM Sport brakes. Car does drive fantastic. Rear park distance control, twin opening tailgate. As I say, literally just arrived, so the wheels will be done, properly powder coated, and it'll make this a stunning, cheap car really, because of being a Cat N. Don't let that put you off. Just open the rear tailgate for you. Oh, it's an electric rear tailgate. It's all in lovely condition. Full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. The leather's in lovely condition. It's got satellite navigation as well. Heated seats, climate control, different driving styles, 6-speed gearbox, Bluetooth. It's fully loaded. Though this is a Cat N, which is the lowest category of an insurance claim, it really is in lovely condition once we finish with it. If you require any further information, please call 07503 751 005. Thank you.